a quickie intro. I'm going to show you how we trade the FTSE dividend and how we traded it this Wednesday and got 12x on it. So without further ado, we'll flick over to the video clip of the live trade. It's all speeded up, so it takes about 2 minutes. In reality, it took an hour or so, but hope you enjoy it.
Right, okay, back on. So what we're going to look for here is my mouse. We're looking to trade a drop in the market. The time here, I don't know if you can see it, is 10 seconds off the FTSE drop. We're looking for this to drop exactly on 4:30. It'll drop drop at about 12.7 pips, and we need to be in the market before then. Hence, you saw the introduction there of the trade. We have an arbitrary stop at the arbitrary limit at the moment. We're waiting for the market to actually drop. Once the market's dropped, we're then waiting for the market to put in a base and a bottom here. You can see it's all speeded up. And as soon as it's done that, we can then add a stop. As you can see, this stop is being added just here, under here, to make sure that we don't get stopped out for 1%. We're risking 1% at the moment. We're looking for the market to return to the point of origin. We've already been paid 12.7 pips. So what we're looking for is this to break even, to go back to the point of origin. Now, the point of origin's here. What we're looking for is this to be then closed out. It's attempted the first time to close out, didn't quite make it, and it will close out on the second attempt there. So what we're looking for is for that to happen. And once that's happened, we have then been paid a full 1%. It's an inefficiency in the FTSE that happens every dividend, when it's large enough, of course. So you can see here the dividends. It's about to close out here. There you can see to close out for a full trade. So it's closed out now. And we got the drop here, market come down, dropped, and then we got the money back here. So a quick recap, we get into the market a few seconds before 4:30 going long. The market then drops because the FTSE pays a dividend out. We wait for the market to put a base in. We then put a stop under the swing low, so the maximum we lose is 2 or 3 pips. We've already been paid nearly 13. We wait for the market to come back to the point of origin where we put the long trade in. And then when it comes back to the point of origin, it has to come a little bit higher because after 4:30, the spread is 2 pips rather than 1. The market then closes out and we have a nice little trade. And that's something that we do in our trading room all the time. If that's of interest to you, you want to learn how to do that, as well as over a dozen more other strategies. We trade live every single day. If you would like to come and have a look at what we do, please let us know on the link below. And we will give you some access and you can come and trade live with us, this trade and many more. Hopefully you found that useful. Cheers.